Topic is non-verbal communication. It is also the part of communication. As you all know that what is communication, that we share our experience, ideas, and we communicate each other is called communication. So non-verbal communication is a part of communication. That what is non-verbal communication? Any communication without the use of word is called communication. It is the process in which we share our views and idea by facial expression, eye contact, body language. It is called non-verbal communication. Study also revealed that 65% communication is done by non-verbal communication, because when we communicate each other, so we use our hands, body language, and also eye contacts. So that non-verbal communication complete verbal communication, because if we speaking like that, we speaking this and we continuously speaking, we have no body language, we have no eye contact, so there is no complete communication. If we have body language, language and sign language we use in our communication, so verbal communication is complete. So there is a part of non-verbal communication that we use our eye contact, body language and hands movements. And now I tell you types of non-verbal communication. First is paralanguage, which means that we use sign language in our communication, and also body language. Body language that we have a proper eye contact, that is the part of body language. Now I am talking paralanguage, that we have I draw some picture, that you also recognize that this is a happiness, like smile, and then this is a face, sadness. So it's also a non-verbal communication, that then we talk each other, that we have to that we said that this, so this is all the best of luck, and then we shake our hands, so hello, that we meet someone, that we shake our hands, so it is, and we are raising our eyebrows, and you know that when we talking someone and that they has a line of forehead, so we think that the person the front of us is thinking something, and that someone asks a question that we don't know the answer of question, so we said that I don't know, that we raise our shoulders. So this is also a part of non-verbal communication. Mostly in communication, %7% effect of verbal communication, and 93% is a part of non-verbal communication, because here we express our feelings and emotion more faster than verbal communication. Because if we feel tired, so we sit like that, we have tired. If we feel happy, so we smile, that the other person recognize that we are happy. If we stress, so person easily recognize that I am sad, I am happy. So that is a part of non-verbal communication. So it's enough for me that I taught. If you have any question.